Mariner. Acclaimed as the best folding bike by New York Times in 2024, the Mariner is the evergreen model of Dahon's classic series. A high-quality, lightweight bike at a surprisingly affordable price. Its portability makes the Mariner ideal for trips that include a stretch by bus or train, perfect for multi-modal urban transport. Take it on your next adventure. The Deltech cable boosts frame strength and stiffness for easy pedaling and even more secure rides. It adopts the Mariner design concept, featuring ultra-strong anti-rust components, making it ideal for humid high-salt, high-humidity environments, and perfect for long-term storage on boats. Dahon's Dahon V technology further improves the rigidity of the entire bike and enhances the speed of all categories of bicycles. It has been featured in many leading international media outlets, including Forbes, Reuters, and PR Newswire, gaining widespread attention in the industry. Deltech. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure, achieving the effect of a double-beam design. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion. The reinforcement system doesn't interfere with folding and integrates brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super down tube. With a larger diameter, the down tube is flattened at both ends near the bottom bracket and main tube, significantly increasing coupling strength. Rigidity improves by more than 10% in both vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing pedaling efficiency and ease of riding. Combined with the Deltech system, the bike becomes safer and climbs more efficiently, even outperforming many road and mountain bikes in speed. SpeedBa Hinge. The four-link structure ensures secure and reliable locking. The folding and unfolding process is simple, efficient, and quick. The hinge is made of forged aluminum, combining safety and aesthetics. Second-generation internal V handle post. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, this column offers exceptional strength and durability. The square taper design increases rigidity, while the internal V-lock simplifies the structure and reduces weight. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. The widened and hollowed clamp ensures a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. Adjustable handlebar and saddle. The handlebar angle and height can be adjusted for a personalized riding posture. The extended aluminum seat post allows for a wide range of adjustments to fit riders of different heights. Equipped with Shimano 8-speed drivetrain, offering clear, smooth, and precise shifting. Features a 52T chainring paired with an 1132T rear cassette, providing quick acceleration and strong pedaling power. The Dahon customized wheels ensure smooth lubrication, can withstand high tire pressure, and offer stable and comfortable riding during quick braking. The puncture-resistant tires are suitable for a variety of complex road conditions, ensuring worry-free rides. Folded dimensions. With over 40 years of history, Dahon's founder, Dr. Han, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. Dahon has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 Dahon folding technologies, embedding Dahon's DNA. Choosing Dahon means choosing trust and quality. With Dahon's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.